Sir, we can start the session. Sir.
There is only 3 candidates only.
Yes, sir.
I think there was 6. Okay, I'll start.
Remaining 3 are not responding our calls.
Then only 3 candidates will be there. Okay, I'll talk to you after the session. Okay, on Monday. Okay, good evening, guys. So, shall we start our session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, fine. Please open your notebook and Eclipse also. Okay, are you guys able to? Hello? Yes, are you guys able to see my screen? Okay, fine. If you face any difficulty, please let me know immediately, okay? So we are going to start our session. So last you have seen, you know how to create the MAVEN project, right? So today we'll do the extension of that project, okay? So today just put one heading, little bit we have some concept before starting the this next project level. Put one heading, naming convention. Okay. During the development, we will use this concept regularly and rapidly. Okay. For example, I'm going to tell you what is the problem during the development most of the developer facing. Suppose I have written this one, CARON. Madhu, just you enable your Mac and tell me what is this, what I have written, CARON. Madhu, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what I have written?
Caron.
Caron, okay. And Mano, can you tell me what I have written?
Caron.
Caron, okay. I'm a same word I'm writing in different way. Now tell me, Kulle, what is this? Second word, what I have written?
Cars.
Car on, right now?
Yes,
so
sir.
this is the mostly happening during the development. What's happened? We will use many method, we will use many file, we will use many XML file, we will use many action, class, attribute. So to avoid this confusion, the naming convention needed in Java development. Okay, because by looking the name only, we can identify whether it is this word related to the object or whether it is related to the file or whether it is related to any database. Okay, so this only denote naming convention. This is also a way to write this. So just write down the definition of the naming convention. Just now you all guys, every guys has read this in different way, right now. To avoid this confusion only, we need naming convention. So what is the concern of this naming convention? Write down in your notebook. By using a standard Java naming, Java naming convention. Java naming convention. Code easier. Easier, spelling EA. Okay, fine. My code easier. For example, we can write this one only. Are on okay. So try to understand with this. I'm going to make a table. Okay. During the development, what's happened? We will create sometime many file. We will create file. Okay. File. We will do some identifier. Okay. And we will create some packages also. And maybe we will do some MySQL related operation. Okay, this action we will take. Just we are going to understand with example and case. Suppose once we create any kind of the file, for example, JSP file, during the development, we will create a JSP file. We will create class name. Okay, class name. We will create some XML also. Let me split this. Okay, class name. So whatever the file name we will use in capitalized format. Okay. Capitalized format means first suppose here we have one candidate. Okay. We have one candidate and his name is Mano Durga. So this is the example. Mano, M will be capital, and here there is one second word Durga. So once we are typing Mano Durga, so first character of word the M capital, and second word breaking word we are do the capitalize. Suppose if we are going to create Mano Durga dot JSP, so this will be our file name, Mano Durga dot JSP. And suppose or also we can, if we are going to create any class Mano Durga, then we'll give the extension .java. Okay. Identifier like sometime we will create some method during the development. We will create some action. Okay. We will create some attributes. We will create some variable also. Okay. We'll know depth, during the development, whatever you are noting right now, during the development, we'll know the depth of this, all the concepts. Okay. What is method, action, attributes, variable. We will create some functions also. So if we going to create this kind of the things, method, action, attributes. Okay. So this will be in camel case. We'll use in camel case. Okay. Camel case in the sense, suppose we are going to create one method Mano Durga. Then how we will do? All the character will be a small and breaking word. Here we have the Durga is the breaking word. Then we'll give the Durga as a capitalized. This is the camel case. So we can easily understand this is the related to action or variable or maybe the method. Okay. Next, we will do some packages. We will create some Java packages like Java packages. Suppose we have here Mano Durga only, we are taking the example. Then how we'll create com dot, here it is coming capital, com dot Mano. If there is any Durga, then we will use dot Durga. Any breaking word is there, then all in a small letter followed by dot. Okay. Lower case, we will use always lower case with dot. Okay. And suppose we are going to create any table or a colon, database, all the MySQL related word. If we are going to create any database, colon, table, then we'll always do always like here you can write database, table or column. So we'll do lowercase only followed by with underscore, with underscore. We are going to just understand with the example. Here this is Mano Durga is a, you can say this is related to method or function or maybe variable. Okay, suppose we are going to create Mano Durga as a packages, then how we will create? Like this only, Mano com dot Mano dot Durga. Okay, and suppose Mano Durga we are going to create any this is, we can say Java packages. Okay, and suppose we are going to create any database or a table or a colon. So how we will create? Mano underscore Durga. So this we can be said this is related to MySQL operation or database operation, right? Hope you understand what is the meaning of naming convention. Naming convention. Okay, note it. See, if I ask to you here the car on all word are capitalized. So we can, by looking itself only, we can identify, okay, this is related to some file. Here this is the car on, this is the camel case format, right? So we can understand this is related to method, action, attributes. And this is the car on, car underscore on. This is related to, we can say this is related to database, table or column. Okay. Why this needed naming convention? Sometimes what's happened, especially in MNC company or any company, you are working as a developer. Okay. And what's happening in real time, for one project, many employees are working, not single employee, right? And suppose you switch to the different project. Company has, our manager has told you, okay, please, Mano Durga, you do different project. Okay. So if any another developer has assigned to your previous project, so with the help of naming convention only, the developer identify what kind of the activity we are going to do, and previously what kind of the activity we have implemented. Where is our file? Where is our object? Where is our database? Where is our packages? By looking itself only, we can identify, okay, this is our function. This is our method. So that's why in all of the, most of the company, even me also, when we are going to develop any application, we are using naming convention in a proper way. Second question here arises, if we don't follow this capitalized, camel case, lowercase, then what will happen? Nothing will happen. Your output will be carry on. Okay, there will be no any effect or something. But this practice will be known as non-professional things. As a developer or as a professional developer, we are following these all the naming convention. Okay. So if we don't use this one also, suppose we are using all the file name in lowercase only or capitalize, all the database operation also we are doing in capitalize. So nothing will affect our project. Okay, na? But to behave like the professional developer, we are using the naming convention. Okay. So this is the things. Note down this one. If you noted it, then you can raise your hand so that we can move to next topic. Okay. Madhu completed?
No, sir.
Okay, right or not an issue. Once you complete, let me know. Kulle completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so shall we switch to next? Because today we'll create some project also. Okay. Mano, you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'm showing you one thing. Last time I think we have created here the this one. Demo project last time we have created, right? Okay, we have see here we have here there are many keywords, reserved keywords, like here body, table, heads, okay, h1, h2. Then all the tag, if we are going to use all the tag, bo, automatically it is coming bo, something address, ad address is coming. Okay, suppose we are going to use any tag, h1 tag. Okay, then how these all the things are coming, we are going to just let you know some shortcut of the Eclipse, because using with the help of Eclipse only we will develop our project, right? And what is the Eclipse? Here Eclipse is known as our IDE, right now, code editor. So write down some shortcuts of the Eclipse, because it will help you during the project development. So important shortcuts. Eclipse spelling, I made a mistake. Okay, some important Eclipse shortcuts. Okay, so what are the shortcuts? Common only. If you with the help of Control plus C, if you are pressing Control plus C, so it means we can do copy. To copy the code, sometimes what's happened, we have declare any action and same action we are going to use in different way. So better use the Control plus C, copy, and we can reuse that one. Okay, and similarly CTRA, Control plus V, it will be used for paste the code. Okay, CTRL plus S, Control plus S, we can save the file. To save the file, we can use Control plus S. Next, Control. Suppose we are here we have one file. This is one different file. See, if we do any changes here, you can see a star marks coming. This is also a star marks coming, and we have some another file also. Okay. In just you consider in these three files we made some changes. So if we want to save all files together, then we are using Control Shift plus S. You can see a star mark has gone. Okay, now. So if we want to save all the files together, then we'll use Control plus Shift plus S. Okay, save all. Save all. Okay, and these above keyword are the just common for all. Maybe this same keyword we can use in Excel also, Office also. Okay, and there is something extra key I'll let you know, which is used in Eclipse mostly. For example, this one, Control Shift plus S. Control. And suppose we want to do any undo, just previous position, then we can use Control plus Z. Means we can do we can just undo the code. Okay, and redo. We are going to undo, then we can do the redo also. CTRL plus Y. With the help of this command, we can redo our code. Okay, redo. Okay, and next we have one important key. Sometimes suppose we have created the code. Okay, we have written the code, then we have to build our code. Build means whatever the code we are going to, after the step we are building our code to run the server, before run the server, then we are using CTRL plus B. Then we can build our code. Okay, and next we can use one more important code is written. I am just deleting our one. Okay, next we have CTRL plus space. This mostly if you are going to use any keyword. Okay, if you are going to use any keywords, use this command. We'll use this Control plus a space button. Means a long button maybe in your keyboard or also in your laptop keyboard. The big button is known as a space button. Then we can press Control plus a space. Okay. So these are the most important shortcuts of the Eclipse where we will use regularly. So better you know these all the things. Okay. Just note it down. Once you complete, please let me know. And I'll suggest you, whatever we are doing each and every day, okay, better you note it down in your notebook, because it will help you once you get stuck during the practice time and once you are during the development time, or maybe after the training. After the training, you want to just recall your all the things whatever you did, and maybe if you get placed some in company, if you want to recall, so it will help you. So better all the note it down. Okay, and we'll also give you a step by step. Everything we will do a step by step only, and we'll give you the all the algorithm also. So whatever the activity we will do, each and everything we will mark it. Okay, and all the things you can note it down in your notebook. Okay, hope completed. So now we can start a, last time we have created one demo project right now. In that we have seen just HTML we have practiced and some of the CSS also. So today onwards we are going to start some fresh project. Okay, be the step by step. So just you put a heading, how to create MAVEN project. Before going to this, actually what's happened to we are going to do full stack Java development. So how this all the activity will be completed? We will create one MAVEN project. Under the MAVEN project, we will do the Spring implementation. Under the Spring, we will use the Hibernate. Hope first class I have told you whatever what kind of the technology we are going to learn. Under the Spring, Hibernate. Okay, Hibernate, and under the MAVEN only, and no, under the Spring, under the Spring, actually this is the laptop, that's why we are not using the board, so there little bit difficulty to write. Okay, in board it is coming very clearly. Under the Spring only, we will use all the concept like Java, okay, JSP, okay. Under the JSP, what we will use? HTML, CSS, and JS. These all the technology. These are the framework. These MAVEN, Spring, and Hibernate is the framework. Java is our backend language, and these for front end. Okay, and this is Hibernate is related will take care of our all the database work. Okay, so database, backend language, and front-end language all together we will know. After completion of this, we can say we are the full stack developer. Okay, so again we are going to start with the scratch. Okay, so just put down one heading, how to create MAVEN project. For example, to understanding all the project development activity, let's say we are going to create one employee project. We have the one company, just you consider we have a one company, Saag technology, right? And in Saag technology, there are many staff working, like Durga is one staff, Kulle is one staff, okay, Madhu is one staff, and we want to be maintain this all the database, all the record. How can we create this project? So for example, for understanding, we will create one employee project, and parallelly you can do one more project. Okay, it means one project I'll guide you each and everything step by step how to create the project, and parallelly you create one more project. Okay, during our time of our training period, and practice each and everything in your second project. And if you face any kind of difficulty, if you get any kind of the works or error, you can let me know on next session, and we will clear your all the doubts, and we will guide you if you found any error and bugs. Okay, na? So fine. So here just note it down how to create MAVEN project. Hope you already created last time also, but you have not noted all the steps, right? So what is the step for creating the MAVEN project? Step number 1 is, what is the step? Just simple. We'll open the Eclipse right now. Open the Eclipse and open Eclipse. Okay. Second is go to new file. Go to new file and get the MAVEN project. Okay, then click on next button. Then here you will get one filter tab. Okay, enter filter. as here you can write org.apache.maven. Okay, in filter tab. And the next step, after entering the filter tab, here it will display many artifact ID. So what we have to be select here we have to be select MAVEN archetype web app. Here it will give you right now 1.4 version. Okay, archetype web app, and here only we will get after selecting this one, it will one pop-up will come. Here we have to be use enter. It will ask you to enter some group ID, group ID. So in group ID, you can enter just followed by com dot in any group ID, any group ID. For example, we are going to create a employee project, right? So here we'll give the com dot employee. Okay. Next, it will ask enter artifact ID. Artifact ID. So artifact ID is nothing but we have to enter our project name. So let's say we can enter here my employee project, or my EMP project. We can type my employee project. Okay. Next, it will ask you enter the packages name. Enter the packages name. Enter the packages. So here we can keep same as group ID. We can enter any package name. So better we can keep. This is not mandatory to keep always same as group ID, but normally we are keeping like this only. Okay, keep same as group ID means we can keep same as com dot employee. Okay, com dot employee. Next, it will display you version. So we'll keep same as it is only. No need to be changed. Keep as it is. Okay. And next, click on finish button to create a project. Okay. So this is the procedure. How to create MAVEN project? We have to open the Eclipse, go to the new file, MAVEN project. Next, just note down this step, and now we'll start our project development work. Madhu, noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So open your Eclipse and we'll do together. Okay. I'm also opening my Eclipse. Mano, have you noted these steps?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So here we have noted all the steps. So just follow with me. You already created one last project. Just leave it for the practice we did. Today onwards, we'll do a step by step, each and everything. Okay. So whatever the things we will do, everything we will do the stepping. Just we'll make one algorithm. So here just you note down all the steps. Keep your notebook aside and just follow the step. We have opened the Eclipse. Next, what is the step? Go to the new and new MAVEN project. Yeah. Okay, not an issue. MAVEN project. Then next, right now. Click on next. Next, Follow with me. Next, and in the filter, what I have to type? You have written in your notebook. Check your notebook. org dot right now Apache dot MAVEN. Here it see if I have typed org Apache dot MAVEN, it is displaying many artifact and with many version 1.4, 1.0, artifact ID, artag, mojo, plugin site, portless, simple, quick start, and a group ID for all there is same. Okay. For here, what I have to be select? So we have to be select last one. Maybe you have written in your notebook. So we have to enter and select MAVEN archetype. I think we made some meaning mistake here now. We have to select archetype ARCHE, right? This is right. MAVEN archetype web app 1.4 version. You also correct in your notebook, please. I have written some, I did some meaning mistake. MAVEN archetype web app. So here, this one we have to select MAVEN archetype web app. Okay. We have to select this one. And okay, then go to next. And here it is asking what will be the group ID. So group ID, here we are going to create employee project. Okay. So we'll keep here group ID as com.employee. Okay. Artifact ID is nothing but project name. So my EMP project. Okay. And version we will keep as it is, no need to be change anything. And packages will do same as group ID. So we will remove this. Now it is same as group ID com.employee only. Okay. And now afterwards, the last step is finish. Last step is finish. Here see it is creating the project. 100% it is created. And we can see on left side, I have many projects in my Eclipse. So here you can see my EMP project has created and it has provided us the many files also, inbuilt files. Okay. This is the way to create the project. Next questions come, how to run the project. Okay. How to run the project. Then we'll note it this step also. How do I run this project? Everyone created project? Kulle, have you created? Kulle, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And give the name, say, here the project name I have given capitalized. Okay. Just naming convention we have followed. M capital, E capital, P capital. Right now. If you have given a small also, just let it be. Next onwards, if you do anything, do as it is what I am doing in front of a screen. Okay. Okay. So next step is how to run the project. Put one heading. How to run the project. Because these all the things will use always. Okay, now. So that's why I am writing all the steps so that it will help you. So first step is to run the project. Just simple task is there. Right click on the project. Right click on the project. Fine. So next we have to do, go to run as option. And after the run as, we have to be click on run on server type, run on server. Okay. And next we have to be select select Tomcat 9 version. Okay, and next, click on next. Okay, then click on finish button. If we click on finish, this is the procedure, just 5 steps. Right click on the project, go to run as, click on run on server, select Tomcat 9 version and click on next, click on finish. Okay, so these are the just 5 simple steps. Note it down. So now whatever the project I have created, we will run it. Okay, also I'm going to repeat one more thing. Don't worry about if you don't know anything. Okay, each and everything we are going to do from the scratch, because I know this is the first time you are going to use. Maybe you have you never heard the word or so many things like MAVEN, Spring, Hibernate, right now. So each and everything we will do from the scratch, like a step by step, as we are doing now. Okay, so never ever get any hesitate or never ever get any frustrated. Okay, we'll do each and everything a step by a step. And anyway, if you face any difficulty, I am here to explain you again. So okay, so what is the first step? Right click on the project. See, if you do, just you also do right click on the project, go to run as, run on server. See, run as, run on server. Follow with me. Click here, and here we have to be select Tomcat 9. Tomcat 9. Okay, and do the next. Do the next. Okay, we have many projects, but just we are removing this. We will execute our project only, my employee project. And next is click on finish. Click on finish. Here you can see our project is running. Where we can see in the console section. See, in the console section, it is a background. Okay, it is loading. Okay, fine. See, the default message hello world has displayed, right? This is just we have created MAVEN project, right? Maybe last time also we did, but we are going to repeat again. Okay, because we are going to do from the fresh record. Last time we have created, I think, demo project, right? So in this employee, why we have changed this name? Because related to employee only, we will do each and all activity. Next here is coming, how to display my name using MAVEN. Right now you know the many language, right now, like you know English, you know Telugu, maybe little bit of Tamil, someone is knowing. So you know the writing of the name also, how to write your name in Telugu, English. So today we'll know how to write our name using MAVEN. How to write our name using MAVEN. Okay. So what is the step to how to write using MAVEN? Simple only. We have to be open the project. Note it down. Open the project. Okay. And go to, here we found one folder which have a name SRC main. Let me check. SRC main web app web inf. Okay. SRC main web app and web inf. Write down as per whatever as per here text. Okay, we are writing use the same format whatever I am using. Here I have written in WebINF in capital. So you also write in capital only. Otherwise you will get confused later on. Go to this folder. Okay. Click on, or here better to click open index.jsp file. Here we'll get under this WebINF, we'll get one JSP file. So we have to be open this. Okay. And next step is update your name in this file. Update your name in this file. And next, save the file and reload the project. Reload the project. So what we have to do? We have to open the project. We have to go to this WebINF folder. In WebINF folder, we'll get one JSP file. And in this JSP file, we will update our name. Okay. And we'll save it and reload the project. So this is the algorithm to write our name using MAVEN concept. Okay. Okay. Just now come to the Eclipse. Initially, we are getting our project in this format. This is the initial state of the project, right? My employee project. Now what we have to do? We will open the project. Go to the SRC. Under the SRC, see, under the SRC we have one main folder. Under the main, we have one more folder, web app folder. Under the web app, see, there is WebINF. And here only we have index.jsp, WebINF. Okay. In capital letter only. And here we have one index.jsp. So just open the index.jsp and update the name here. Instead of hello world, just update the name. Saag Technologies. Okay. Saag Technology. And save this. Look, whatever the changes we will do, see here, a star is coming. This star indicate this is unsaved file. Okay. So just save the file, use the command Control S. With the help of Control S, we can save. And also once you do any changes, here see, this button will be, Eclipse will enable this button. Here you can see, I am highlighting Control S save. This is Control save all. Control plus Shift plus S button is there. We can use shortcut also, and we can use this one also, button also, to save the file. Now next step is what is? Just reload. This is the reload. Okay. Saag Technology. Here you can see. Here Eclipse by default it is providing one URL case to check the project, and same project we can access using our web browser also. How can we access this all the project using our web browser? Just you copy this link. See, this is the URL. Link is localhost 8080 is our port number, Tomcat port number, because we are using Tomcat, right, to running our server. So Tomcat port number, here is the project name, my EMP project. So just copy this URL. I have copied, and open your Google Chrome. With the help of any browser also, we can access this project. Just paste here. Okay, my employee project. Enter. Here you can see, using the web browser also we can access. Okay. So this is the only main thing we can do. So today we learn how to create the MAVEN project, how to run the project, and how to display my name using MAVEN concept, right? Apart from this, we learn something about the naming convention right now, and some important shortcuts key, right? And tomorrow we'll integrate a Spring concept inside this MAVEN. Right now we have just created a MAVEN project, right? In this, we will use a Spring concept. Using a Spring, we will display our name. It will take some time. This is a long procedure to displaying our name using the Spring concept. Okay, so no need to be worried. We'll do that one also a step by a step, like today we did. Okay. So any doubt for today's session, you can ask me. Madhu, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Kule, you, Mano?
No, sir.
Okay. So shall we stop our session? We'll start again tomorrow, or maybe we'll contact to institute tomorrow is class or not. Or if tomorrow is there no class, then we'll meet on Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So thank you everyone. So we'll meet again on next session.